Hello children, hope all are doing good. So today I am back with the 25th lesson, Our State, Our Pride. Our State, Our Pride. So you know that many districts together forms the state and many states together forms the country, isn't it? So you have learned that many districts together forms the state and many states together forms the country. So which is our country, children? Yes, our country is India. So children, look at the map on the screen. Yes, you can see the map of India and you can see the different states of our country. And children, the total number of states in India is 29. So the total number of states in India is 29. So can you see on the map? Isn't it, children? So the total number of states in India is 29. And which is our state, children? Yes, Karnataka is our state and there are 30 districts in our state. So there are 30 districts in our state. Which is our state? Yes, our state is Karnataka and there are 30 districts in our state. So now let us study about the neighboring states of Karnataka. Which are the neighboring states of Karnataka? So on the northern side you can see the Maharashtra. So northern side it is Maharashtra and southern side it is the Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So towards the south you can see Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So the towards the northern side Maharashtra is our neighborhood and neighboring state. Then towards the south it is Kerala and Tamil Nadu is our neighboring state. And east, towards the east, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is our neighboring state. So towards the east, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is our neighboring state. And towards the west, Goa is our neighboring state. So I'll repeat, children, we are studying about the neighboring states of Karnataka. So the neighboring state of Karnataka towards the north is Maharashtra and towards the south it is Kerala and Tamil Nadu and towards the east it is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and towards the west it is Goa. So this is about the neighboring states of Karnataka. Each state has special physical features. And on the basis of the physical features and the climate, our state is divided into 4 natural regions. So, on the basis of physical features and climate, Karnataka is divided into 4 natural regions. They are the Western Coastal Region. The first one is the Western Coastal Region. Second one is the Malanad Region. The third one is the Northern Plain and the fourth is the Southern Plain. So these are the 4 natural regions of Karnataka. What is the first one? Yes, Western Coastal Region. Second one is the Malanad Region. Third one Northern Plains and the fourth one is the Southern Plains. So we will study each of the natural regions in detail. So children, look at the map on the screen. Yes, you can see the 4 natural regions of Karnataka. So we will study each of the following in details. What is the first one? Yes, the Western Coastal Region. So this Western Coastal Region, the geographical feature of Western Coastal Region is that the area along the Arabic Sea on the west of the state. So this Western Coastal Region lies the area along the Arabic Sea on the west of the state. It is also known as Konkan Coast. So this is also known as Konkan Coast. It is about 240 km in length. So the Western Coastal Region, the length of Western Coastal Region is 240 km. And the main cities in Western Coastal Region is Karwad, Mangaluru and Udupi. So Udupi, Mangaluru and Karwad lies in the Western Coastal Region. And the climate and the vegetation in Western Coastal regions are heavy rainfall area. So this region is a heavy rainfall area. Then jackfruit, mango, nandi, honey, jambu are the main trees found here. So jackfruit, mango, Nandi, Honne and Jambu are the main trees found here. Then the main minerals obtained in western coastal region is iron and manganese. So iron and manganese are the main minerals found in this region. And the occupation and crops in this area is fishery is the main occupation. So fishing is the main occupation. Then paddy, coconut, arecanut, cashew nut are the important crops. So important crops are paddy, coconut, arecanut, cashew nut, etc. are the important crops. And the wild animals that you can see in this area are the land animals such as bat, snake, jungle fowl, wild boar and woodpecker. Then aquatic animals such as prawn, sea crabs, fishes, starfish, shellfish and sea cucumber are seen in this area. So this is about the western coastal region. And which is the second natural region? Yes, second is the Malanad region. And this Malanad region consists of ranges of Western Ghats. So it consists of ranges of Western Ghats. It is also called as Sahyadri. So this Malanad region is also known as Sahyadri. It is about 400 km in length. So this length of this Malanad region is 400 km. And the climate and vegetations in Malanad region is that it is a heavy rainfall area. So this area is having heavy rain. Sandalwood, jackfruit, hebbalasu, honne, silk cotton tree, teak, nandi, rosewood are the main trees. So these are the main trees that is grown in Malanad region. And the main minerals in Malanad region is manganese and iron ore. So manganese and iron ore are the main minerals. And the main cities in Malanad are Madikeri, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Hassan and Belagavi. So these are the main cities, that is the Madikeri, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Hassan and Belagavi are the main cities in Malanadu. Then occupation and crops in Malanad are agriculture is the main occupation. So agriculture is the main occupation in Malanad region. Then paddy, coconut, arecanut, black pepper, betel leaves, coffee, cardamom, tea and spices are the major crops found here. So paddy, coconut, arecanut, black pepper, betel leaves, then coffee, cardamom, tea and spices are the major crops found here. And the wild animals found here is bison, deer, tiger, elephant, squirrel, wild rat and rare species like slender loris are found in this region, are found in the Malanad region. So this is about the Malanad region. So which is the next region, natural region? Yes, next is the northern plains. Northern plains. This is the northern plains. So this region is 350 to 600 meters above the sea level. It is a plain land. So northern plains are a plain lands and it is about 350 to 600 meters above the sea level. And the main cities in northern plains are Bidar, Kalaburgi, Dharwad, Hubbali, then Gadag, Vijayapura, Raichur, Ballari, Balakote, Bagalkote and Koppala. So these are the cities in northern plains. Then the main minerals in northern plains are copper, limestone, iron and gold. So you can see copper, limestone, iron and gold. These are the main minerals found in the northern plains. And the climate and vegetations of northern plain is low rainfall. So in this region we get only very low rainfall. Then shrubs, thorns, babul trees, elephant apple, gooseberry, soap nut trees, etc. are found in this region. And the main occupation in this region is agriculture itself. So agriculture is the main occupation in northern plains. So like Malanad region, northern plain also agriculture is the main occupation. Then wheat, jowar, bajra, millet, tobacco, sugarcane, groundnut and oil seeds are the major crops. So these are the major crops: wheat, jowar, bajra, millet, tobacco, sugarcane, groundnut and oil seeds are the major crops. Then the wild animals you can see in the northern plains are monitor lizard, then garden lizard, snake, wolf, fox, hyena and mongoose. So these are the animals that you can see in the northern plains. So this is about the northern plains. So which is the next natural region? Yes, the southern plains. So the southern plains. So this area is 600 to 1000 meters above the sea level and it is more of hills and slopes. So southern plains are it's an area of 600 to 1000 meters above the sea level and it is more of hills and slopes. So we can see more hills and slopes in this area. And the main cities in southern plain is Davangere, Tumkuru, Chitradurga, Mandya, Chamarajanagar, Kolar, Mysore and Bengaluru lies in southern plains. So the main minerals in southern plains are mica, slate, limestone and granite. And the climate and vegetation of southern plains is that low rainfall. So here also low rainfall. Then teak, rosewood, nandi and honne are some of the major trees found here. So teak, rosewood, nandi and honne are the trees found here. Then occupation and crops, agriculture and daily and dairy farming are the major occupation. So not only agriculture, dairy farming is also the major occupation of southern plain. Then ragi, paddy, pulses, cotton, sesame are the major crops. So the major crops grown in southern plains is ragi, paddy, pulses, cotton, sesame. Then the wild animals that you can see in the southern plains are wolf, bear, monkey, snake, peacock, black buck are found here. So wolf, bear, monkey, snake, peacock, black buck etc. are found in the southern plains. So this is about the southern plains. So we have learned about the 4 natural regions. That is the western coastal region. Second one is the Malanad region. Third one is the northern plains. And the third one is the southern plains. So next we will study about the rivers of Karnataka. So which are the rivers found in Karnataka? So many rivers flow in our state. Some of them flow towards the east and some towards the west. So some rivers flow towards the east and some rivers flow towards the west. So here you can see some of the rivers found in the Karnataka. So that is Krishna, Gadaparva, Sharavadi, Kali, Malaprabha, then Tungabhadra, Bhima, Kaveri, Netravadi, Hemavadi, Kabani, etc. are some of the rivers found in Karnataka. So I repeat children, Krishna, Gadaprabha, Sharavadi, then Kali, Malaprabha, Bhima, Tungabhadra, Kaveri, Netravadi, Hemavadi and Kabani. These are some of the rivers found in Karnataka. First we will learn about Bengaluru. So Bengaluru is the capital city of our state. So you know that the capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. So Bengaluru is the capital city of our state. Vidhan Soudha, Vikas Soudha, High Court, Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Venkatappa Art Gallery, Tipu's Summer Palace, Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Lal Bagh and Coburn Park are the main places of attraction. So these are the important attractive places in Bengaluru. That is the Vidhan Soudha, Vikas Soudha, High Court, then Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Venkatappa Art Gallery, Tipu's Summer Palace, Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Lal Bagh and Coburn Park. So these are the places of attraction in Bengaluru. Then coming to Mysore, you know that Mysore is the illuminated palace, Chamundi Hills and zoo are the important places in Mysuru. So when you come to Mysuru, you can see illuminated palace, then Chamundi Hills and zoo are the important places in Mysuru. Then Dasara celebrations held here is famous all over the world. So the very famous Dasara celebration is held in Mysuru, which is famous all over the world. So next is about the historical places in our state. So the historical places are the important places related to the history of our state, and we are going to study about Hampi. So children, look at the picture on the screen. Yes, you can see that this is a picture of a famous stone chariot of Hampi. So you on the screen you can see that is the famous picture, famous stone chariot of Hampi. Hampi is in Ballari district. So Hampi is in Ballari district. It was the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. So Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. The architecture of this place is very famous. So Hampi is very famous for its architecture. The carvings of Virupaksha temple, Lotus Mahal, Hasara Ramaswamy temple, etc. are very beautiful. So this is about the historical place. So here we have studied about the Hampi. So if you look on the screen, you can see the famous stone chariot of Hampi. So Hampi is in Ballari district, and it was the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. Then the architecture of this place is very famous. The carvings of Virupaksha temple, Lotus Mahal, Hasara Ramaswamy temple, etc. are very beautiful. So this is about the historical places. So that's all about the lesson Our State, Our Pride. So in this lesson we have studied that the districts together forms the state and state together forms the country, and our country is India and our state is Karnataka. And you have learned that we have 29 states. So in India we have 29 states and our state is Karnataka, and in Karnataka there are 30 districts. So in Karnataka there are 30 districts. Then we have studied about the 4 natural regions, that is the western coastal region, Malanad region, northern plains and southern plains. Then we have studied about the all in details. Then we have studied about the places of attraction, that is the Bengaluru and Mysuru. So the capital city of Karnataka is Bengaluru, and there are many famous places of attraction in Bengaluru. And in Mysore also very famous places are there, and Dasara is one of the famous celebration in Mysuru. And then about the historical place Hampi. So that's all about the lesson. See you next class. Thank you, children.